This video will show you how to import your project register from Excel into UniPhi. Start by pressing the upload icon. Now open your spreadsheet. UniPhi will require columns for the project ID, project name, sector, project type, service line, location, and current phase for successful project creation. You will need to have this project metadata configured in UniPhi before you can import your projects. See the video linked in the description to learn how to do that. You can also import other project information, such as project roles. In this video, we will be importing the clients and project managers for some of the projects. Highlight and copy the full data range of what you want to import, including the heading row. Then go back to UniPhi. Since we are importing project roles, you will need to select that from this list. Now you can paste your data into the box. You will then need to map the columns using the drop-down list to tell UniPhi what each column is. When you are ready, press the validate icon. UniPhi will then check your data and highlight any errors in red. You can hover your cursor over the red cell to find the cause of the error, so that you can amend it before you import. Once you have amended the issue, you can press this icon to reset the import box. Paste your data back into the box and validate again. If there are no errors, you can press the green save icon to import everything into UniPhi. You will now see your projects in the list. Thanks for watching this UniPhi tutorial.